I don't know where to start from, but I'm going to start somewhere. I will take it from somewhere. It's about that video by MIDE Martins. IYA, mother. MIDE. How did you?
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, arábìnrin yìí ó ti jáde wá sọ̀rọ̀ nípa fíìmù MIDE Martins IYA. Ó analyse rẹ̀, ó kí gbogbo àwọn cast tí wọ́n ṣe fíìmù náà tí wọ́n kópa nínú fíìmù náà. Ó kí Jídé Àwúbọ́nà, ó kí Pẹ̀lúmi, ó kí ọkọ MIDE Martins, ó kí MIDE Martins fúnra rẹ̀, ó kí arábìnrin tí a mọ̀ sí Yétúndé Barnabas. Gbogbo wọn ló ṣàkí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tí arábìnrin tí ó padà sọ lẹ́yìn ìgbà tí ó kí wọn tán.
Put this together. How did you cook this movie? And I watched part 2 yesterday. You said the story continues. How did you thought about this movie? Okay, kudos to you. Well done. Honestly, you have been writing movie. You wrote this one. Kudos. But that's not where I'm going. To all the cast, Jídé Àwúbọ́nà. Oh no. Did you go to law school? And your patience in that movie. How you listen, how that woman gave you baba abuse because you are a man. That's still not where I'm going. Pẹ̀lúmi, Ìrèmídé, Àánúolúwapọ̀. That's not where I'm going. Pẹ̀lúmi, you finish work. MIDE. Now, where I am going, mothers. May God reward every woman out there. Married, widow, single mom, may God reward us. But I want to warn every woman. Motherhood is not do or die. Motherhood is not do or die. Especially with adult children. Sumisola, Pẹ̀lúmi's mom, don't kill yourself. Every woman needs to watch this movie. I want you to know something. Those children will always find their father. Pẹ̀lúmi made a valid statement at the court, inside the courtroom, in the witness box. He said she loves her mother like no man business, but she never experienced fatherly love. It is because of fatherly love that makes them to always run after their mother. To MIDE or Sumisola, their father was dead. But to those children, their father is alive. Woman, if you are watching this video, go and watch IYA. Don't make it a do or die. Look after yourself. At the same time, take care of those children. But don't ever say, my children, my children, my children. They have access to their father. Their father is alive. They will see their father. This one that you are sending people to go and beat their father, you don't need it. And court does not go by emotion. They go by evidence. And those children came out, they are adult children, they are grown up. They said they want to experience fatherly love. You could have dealt with this amicably. My children, my children, my children, my children, you want to have heart attack. You cater for them. Yes, we agreed you did. But these children wants to have fatherly love. And your lawyer kept telling you, sort it amicably, sort it amicably, sort it amicably. I don't know what you want to cook in part 3, but don't go to prison because of your children. Don't die because of those children, please. Please. Those children will leave if you die. Now, you say you want them to live with you. They must come to you. If they come and they fail to stay with you, what will you do? Let them be. They will come back. Let them go and try it. They will run back to you. Don't separate your family because of that. Don't let them be estranged from you because of that. My children, my children, my children. You are not God. You are not God. Don't die because of them. They will continue to live. They will continue to live. The man is not saying they should not see you, but you are insisting. To single mother, if you leave your husband or the husband leave you, and then you say, I raise the children alone, I raise the children, don't kill yourself. Don't kill yourself. Do what you can do and leave the rest. God bless every woman.